Welcome back. So as per our plan, today we are going to customize our Bentley. But I want to tell you before only that, I didn't think about any customization. So let's see what we can do. Let's do the cold start. Let's go to the workshop. Very slowly taking out from the garage. Still 24 hours is not completed. To buy the car. After customizing this car, I will customize the 7 Series. I will customize it because now the color of the BMW is black. And my Audi and Mercedes color is red and green. So I want to make the RGB by coloring the BMW blue. So, what's your opinion? For now, I am just thinking. Not sure about it. Right now, I have so many projects. In one of my garages, there are more than 3 cars parked untouched. So, we have to work on it. Let's see. But at first, let's complete this one. Still, I am thinking, what should I do? Now the top speed is 299 km/h. After tuning, it will at least cross for 100 km/h. But the worst thing about this car is automatic. I don't like automatic. But this is a luxury segment. And in the luxury segment, the car is not made for performance. So finally we reached. Let's start. So our customization is done now. Rate this color out of 5. I like it. Let you show from outside. What you say? I want to keep it on the shuttle. That's why I don't do too much with the color. Let's test it on the road. What difference came in drivability? Is she crossing for 100 or not? A little bit unstable in high speed. So I need to slow it down, otherwise it will be out of control. And I lowered the car also. Time to check the top speed. .300 km/h cross. At least for 100 km/h it should touch. For 100 km/h top. So top speed is for 120 km/h. More than I expected. Finally gets on. Yesterday I was told we have to remove a car from here. So the time has come. You are still thinking which car I am removing. Yes, it's the Volvo. Very less driven and not so good looking. That's why I am removing this one. See, only 27 kilometers driven. I just bought this car to fill the empty space. But now I don't need it anymore. I don't know that I will keep it or sell it. Most probably I am going to sell it. Let's see. Now this is the perfect combination. And sorry for the Volvo. Like, share, comment, subscribe.